Well, Oktoberfest has come and gone, but you can still celebrate. Doesn't matter when. Lisa Karras from Jones Dairy Farm is here to celebrate Oktoberfest with a true Wisconsin favorite. Okay, Braunschweiger.
Yes.
I did it?
You did it.
Whew,
yes.
Okay.
So thanks for having us,
Yeah.
Brady. This is so wonderful to be here. We love talking about Braunschweiger.
Yeah.
So Jones Dairy Farm is a 7th generation family-owned and operated company out of Fort Atkinson. And one of our favorite products to talk about is Braunschweiger. So we have come up with a couple recipes to keep people in the Oktoberfest tradition. So I'd love to talk about those recipes with you.
Yeah, and before we get to those, I want, this is a staple for so many families. And
Yes.
it's not just something you eat, it has ties to family, your family's story. That's very important.
Absolutely. So Braunschweiger is a product that brings up a lot of nostalgic memories. So whether you had it growing up with your grandparents or you had it as a kid, it brings up a lot of those feelings. And I think a lot of people forget about this product over time. So I'm here to really bring that product back to life and talk about how we can use it and expose it to the next generation.
Yeah, you have some kind of new and fun ways to bring it into the now. So what recipes do we have?
Yes, so this first one is super easy. It only has two ingredients. So this is our dip. So what we have here is the Braunschweiger chub, and we are mixing it with either a cream cheese, ricotta, or a mascarpone. You just want a soft cheese, and you just whip it together with a hand mixer or a KitchenAid, and that's it.
Easy peasy.
So super easy.
Okay.
You can have it with crackers, crudité, or vegetables, and it's a great way to just sort of get exposed to Braunschweiger, and you can serve it at parties. It's an appetizer, so it's really easy, and people love it.
Yeah, so it's just kind of you get to creep in before you go to the hard stuff here.
Yes, yes. And what I love about this dip is it brings protein to the appetizer.
Yeah.
So a lot of dips don't have a lot of protein. So Braunschweiger has some really amazing health benefits. So it's high in protein. It has riboflavin, vitamin A, and it's a great source of iron too.
Yeah, keto friendly too if you're doing the
Yes.
veggies.
Yes.
And so now we have something that's perfect for any weekend, any game day, some sliders, right?
Yes, yes. And so to continue with Oktoberfest, we have a pretzel bun slider that has a beer mustard with it. We know that Braunschweiger is great with onions, mustard, and so we're just gonna assemble that. It's so easy, so we'll do that. And we have our Jones Dairy Farm Braunschweiger sliced, and it's super convenient. It's already sliced, perfect for sandwiches. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna have you take the top part
take
off.
this off.
Yep, so we just have Hawaiian buns here. They're pretzel buns.
My hands are washed, by the way.
Ditto, yes. And so this Braunschweiger is already sliced, and so you're just gonna layer it on top. You'll notice that it does have this little rind that you do not want to eat.
Okay, so that comes off really
Yep,
easily.
Yep.
Yeah.
So that's just we use that when we make the product. So, so what we're gonna do is just put about 4 slices around.
Okay, and do you cook it then?
It's already cooked, so it's a fully cooked product.
Oh,
so you can
perfect.
eat it right out of the package. Braunschweiger is great for sandwiches, great for a snack. So super easy. So it's already cooked, and then what we're gonna do is take some onions.
Yeah, and these are very potent onions. I tried smelling them and I
Yes.
almost fainted.
We are gonna put it just on half because not all of us like onions.
I have some weird rules about onions, so.
Okay, and then we're gonna put a little
that
bit
mustard.
of this beer mustard, which is a nice little way to top it off.
And this is something that you can do, like we were talking about, this comes from family, so you can do this with your kids and get maybe grandma, grandpa in on it too.
Definitely. And so it's a great game day appetizer, and then you just slice it. So easy. And you can top these sliders with pickles. You could do a different type of mustard, Dijon, doesn't have to be a beer mustard. So, and we have lots of recipes using Braunschweiger on our recipe or on our website. So you can check out jonesdairyfarm.com for more ways to use Braunschweiger.
Well, Lisa, thank you for being on with us, and these recipes are sure to please everyone. So there you go, there they are on screen. If you want to see those, you can also find them on channel3000.com. I've never tried it. I'm going to try this little dip. Let's see. Okay, pretty good. I'm on board. All right,
Great.
we'll be right back.